Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to move and rearrange applications on your Google Pixel 9. So in order to do that, open up your whole application list right here. So choose any application. For example, let's choose Recorder. Now, to move it to your home screen, simply drag it here, release your finger, now it's moved. If you want to create some new blank pages, or you want to move your application to a new blank page, right? So simply hold it one more time, drag it to the right or to the left. It's not really matters, right? And simply leave it. Now we've got our new page and our application right here. So if you want to rearrange the dock is this little tab right at the bottom of our screen. Simply hold the application at the top of it and move them between itself. Easy as that. Simply redrag them, and as you see, their position has been moved. Now, if you want to remove any kind of application from your home screen, simply find it, give it a nice hold, drag it to remove button, and release your finger. Now your application is removed. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.